Hello there. On today's video, I want to show you my secret to learning Phoenix. Many people ask me like, "Hey Daniel, I know you know Elixir and Phoenix, you're recording a video about it. Where did you learn it? Like which course did you buy? How did you learn it?" Now let me show you how I learned Phoenix. In Elixir, I went to the homepage of the framework. I clicked on guides, and that's it. That's what I did. Okay. And then I'm not gonna lie, I also used many free courses on YouTube. The main ones that I used was from Elixir Mentor. And hey, look at this. I'm a member. You can find me here on the homepage because I loved his content so much that I decided to become a member. And like, it's not even that much money. I think it's like $5 or $6 per month or something. It's super cheap. Like, if you take in consideration how much I learned for free, I think it's more than fair to contribute back to Jacob from Elixir Mentor. It's more than fair. So I became a member, and on his channel, I went here on playlists, and there are a ton of resources now. Back then, when I started learning, I think he had recorded this Phoenix Live View. I watched most of this one, but the most important one that I watched was the Elixir Basics. So I watched Elixir Basics, a little bit of Phoenix Live View, and also a little bit of the Elixir API. So this one I watched a couple of episodes. But besides that, I just read the docs, to be honest. And some people are like, "Oh no, but the docs are bad," or I don't know. I don't know why people don't like the docs. Turns out you can just read the docs. It's free. And not only that, but what I like the most about reading the docs is I am 99% sure that what I read here is, first of all, correct, and second, it's up to date. There's always that chance of me watching a YouTube video and that video being out of date. But if I'm reading straight from the docs, this is not gonna happen. I have selected the last version. I am studying the most up-to-date source of content for Phoenix. And some people are like, "Okay, but which order did you study? Did you study the guides first and then the real time later and then the testing later?" Look, I read from top to bottom. That's all I did. I went here, I clicked on overview, then installation, up and running, community. Then I went to guides, directory structure, request lifecycle. After I finished that, I went to authentication. I literally just read the docs from top to bottom. It's not black magic. It's not rocket science. You just read. Turns out you can just read. And not only that, but if you are studying something on Elixir, I am 99% sure that they are using this hexdocs.pm. And if you scroll down, watch this. Where's that? Okay. Down below, you can see download EPUB version. Now, I have a Kindle, and I just downloaded the EPUB version of this documentation. I sent to my Amazon Kindle, and I just read it during my cardio, before going to sleep, and that's it. I just read the docs. Now, as I mentioned before, alongside reading the docs, I watched free videos on YouTube. So I realized that many people also like watching videos. That's one of the reasons why I decided to create TechSchool, which is free. Like, I'm not going to charge you for anything here. This project is 100% free. If you just want to watch videos and not read the docs, you can go to TechSchool, click courses. You can filter by framework, by tool, or you can simply type the name of whatever you want to study. So for example, Phoenix. And then you can find a bunch of free YouTube courses. For example, I have this one, which is mine, shameless plug. If you click here, it's a free crash course. And the other videos, they are marked as members first, which means that if you want to immediately watch those videos, you need to become a member. So you can go back to my main channel, click on join, and it's the equivalent of $3 per month, which in my opinion, I think it's reasonable for you to have like immediate access to those videos. In Brazilian reais, it's even cheaper. It's R$ 5 per month, which is less than like a espresso coffee. So I tried using the cheapest price available on YouTube membership, but if you don't want to contribute to my channel, you can just watch them for free because I am going to release this course 100% for free. I'm already on course on video 10. Hopefully in the future I'll have much more. I have no idea how many other videos I'm gonna record, but, and like to be honest, once again, I'm just following the documentation to record that video. I come here to the documentation, I reread a specific section. So for example, I just recorded the components and hooks video for the Phoenix crash course. So I know how they work, but I came here, I reread the documentation to structure the order of what I'm going to teach. I brought my own examples, but that's it. I'm just following the docs. Even recording my own course, I'm just following the docs because if the documentation is following this order, it means that this is the best logical order of learning things. The only difference is that I'm bringing my own examples, my own mix, my own examples to the course, but the structure itself I'm following from the docs. So that's it, folks. You can just read the docs. It's no secret. I think if you are a developer that reads the docs, you are already ahead of the curve because it seems that these days people don't read the docs. Turns out you can just read them.